Governor Tate Reeves called Monday's Supreme Court oral arguments on the state's restrictive abortion law a watershed moment.
A watershed moment in American history over the last week as this case that many of us in the pro-life movement have hoped would come before the court for many years.
Mississippi's law bans abortions 15 weeks into a pregnancy. Monday, the justices appeared poised to uphold it, which has been blocked by 2 federal courts.
Clearly, they could recognize, even under the existing standard, that 15 weeks is not at all radical.
In the interview with Jake Tapper, Reeves confirms if Roe v. Wade is overturned, Mississippi will enact an almost total abortion ban.
If you believe, as I believe, very strongly that innocent unborn child in the mother's womb is in fact a child. The most important word when we talk about unborn children is not unborn, but it's children. And so yes, I will do everything I can to protect the lives of those children.
He says he does not believe there will be a total abortion ban in the country.
If Roe v. Wade is overturned, that doesn't mean that no one in America is going to have access, although that might make people like me happy. But what it does mean is that all 50 states, the laboratories of democracy, are going to have the ability to enact their own laws with respect to abortion.
Tapper also asked Reeves about Mississippi being ranked 50th out of 50 in the country for infant mortality rate. Reeves says he is working to change those stats.
And I perfectly acknowledge that many of those statistics in terms of health outcomes in our state, we're underperforming relative to other states across the nation, and it's incumbent upon all of us to work to pass policies to change that.
Marcus Hunter, 16 WAPT News.